Hey, so just wanting to go over my toolbox. I have a video where I go over like new tools. I've gotten a few other new things. I've liked how I've organized it and just really enjoying the Gear Wrench 3 drawer. So I just wanted to give another update with things that I've changed, my tools, and I'll try to be quick. So here's the Gear Wrench 3 drawer. I have lights, which have been awesome. I really like this one. It's Braun. I think that's the brand name, but it swivels. And then I have a magnet. I have my 1/4 inch. I really enjoy. I have, I think, 4 these Harbor Freight magnetic socket organizers. So I have my 1/4 inch up at the front. Then I have my 3/8 shallow, 3/8 deep, 1/2 inch deep, 1/2 inch shallow socket. I have like my the things that will like make like a 1/4 inch half or 3/8 a half or a half to a 3/8, and then like my knuckles, that kind of thing, spark plug socket. I have one of my cars requires an 8 for oil change, so I just have that up at the top. And then if we go to the first drawer, I got the Craftsman Overdrive Ratchet Set. It's a 6-point on the box end, and I really enjoyed working with those. I really needed them on a job the other day, so they came in very handy. I still have my ratcheting wrenches that I got from a grocery store of all places, Lidl. They're okay. And then I have some of my extensions, like longer extensions and like panel picks and other hex sockets, a larger spark plug socket. And that's that drawer. And then this drawer is my like plier and other things drawer. I've really loved these. These are the slip joint icons, push button slip joint, and they are fantastic. But yeah, I have got like the Icon 4-pack, and then I also bought angled needle nose. I have O-ring pick, which I also just used. A plastic clip pick, a radiator hose pick, a little pry bar, screwdriver. This is 90-degree needle nose. These are just cheapo Pittsburgh. And that's that drawer. And then the last drawer, we have a gasket scraper, box knife, scissors, vice grips, larger pry bar, wrench, and then these are for the scraper. And then I throw a battery in up there too. So, but yeah, that's the toolbox. I've been loving it.